guys, it's Mary here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, I encourage you to check out the rest of the videos I have on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, I would like to hear from you. Leave a comment below if you would like to see any tutorial that you would like to do, or any pattern, anything that you like to see in my channel. Please feel free to leave a comment. So today I'll be doing this hairband. I made this. It's very easy to make, and also it doesn't take that much fabric. All you need is a stretched fabric. There are so many kinds of fabric that can be stretched. Cotton also sometimes have some a little bit of a stretch, but the stretch fabric is look like this. So here you can stretch it from one side. There's other fabric that you can stretch from two sides, like this one, and there's another one, and this is also the same one. So when you do this hairband, you want to make sure it's stretched the way you want it in your head, right? So you want it to be stretched that way, so you do your cuts on the stretch side. Also, there's another type of fabric that can be stretchy, and like this one here, it have this one, it has only, I think, one side is stretched. The other one, it doesn't stretch as much as the other one, but it's still stretched. Also, it's a colorful one if you want to use this. Any fabric that you have in your stock, you can use that have stretch. You can do a hairband with it. To make this hairband, you will need to measure your head where you want it, and then you cut your fabric accordingly. So I didn't put any measurements in the description because it's my head measurement. So feel free to leave me a comment, and if you did one band like this, I would like to see some pictures. Share your picture. I have my Instagram in the description below. So let's not waste any time, and let's get started.